Okay, so class second question is to calculate the beta on Excel sheet. For this we are downloading the data from NSE website. So this NSE website is first of all we will download the data for market indices. So Nifty 50 is representing the market indices for NSE and we are taking the time period for 6 months. You will also take the time period for 6 months from 1st September 2019 to 31st March 2020. Okay, so here I'll click download the data. The second is to download the data for specific security. Just search for the symbol of the security. Suppose I am taking IndusInd Bank. I am taking IndusInd Bank. So this is the script for IndusInd Bank. INDUSINDBK. So I am selecting the equity because I need equity data, and I'll keep the same time frame. So the time frame is okay. So this is the data. I'm going to download the same. Now my task is to compile it in Excel. So this is the data file. It is for Nifty. It is the data is name of the data is by default, and the second file is for IndusInd Bank. You can see it is for IndusInd Bank. But what I need is closing price. So I have taken the closing price along with the date, and I'm pasting the same over here. Okay. So next thing is to calculate. Okay, I'm telling you that this is the price for the bank. Okay, so calculating the return is very easy.